Twin Flame channel messages from Divine Masculine. Hey, I felt like writing to you as I'm gaining some clarity about where I am at in my journey. I'm starting to understand the changes and what is going on in the world. It is both scary and amazing at the same time. I am really glad that there is some sort of explanation to what is happening around me because I started to question my sanity. I still don't understand who you really are to me, but I know that we have a wonderful connection, not from this lifetime, but from many other lifetimes. And I am forever, forever grateful for that. Despite all the turmoils, all the difficulties, all the heartaches and hurts, I am happy that I met you. You make me so, so, so much happy. You taught me so much. I adore you. I feel so proud to have you. I still have my fears and my demons, but I can feel the light growing bigger and bigger within me. It makes me happy to feel this change. It is even helping me in my day-to-day life. I am hopeful for the future. I see the world in a different way. I notice the flowers, the birds, and the clouds. I can feel the spring, and it makes my heart smile more and more. I can feel my body waking up. I want to move, I want to jump, I want to laugh, and I want to be happy forever. Music has been helping me a lot lately. I have noticed some messages from you in the lyrics, or it might be from the universe. I am often thinking about you, about us, our next lives together, and it makes me feel stupid sometimes, as I should act now, this lifetime. But then I realize that I can't do that now because something is still holding me back in this lifetime. I want to work on that with love and happiness. I literally picture myself with you in the greenest of the pastures, screaming my joy and tackling my issues with positive energies. I have never done that. As you know, I am not like that, but I might give a try. I don't know this side of me. I don't know that it fills my heart with so much joy that I want to embrace and embody it. My head still questions everything and my old ways. Don't want to let you go. But I have tested this now. I want more bliss. I'll manifest more of it. You know, I am not the most spiritual person, but this is so amazing and eye-opening that I can't afford to overlook it. I wish you the same joy and happiness. It is so liberating. It will guide you to your true self. I can feel your nurturing energies when I am in this blissful state. You are there approving of it all. Do you approve of yourself the same way? Do you make yourself happy? I want you to be happy. I can feel spring will bring so much love and beauty. I feel so excited. My heart is open. I feel ready. I will use this beautiful, blissful state to heal and get momentum to progress in our journey. It is not only about me, it is ours. I'm sorry. I should shower you with the same happiness, but the truth is, I need to truly tend to my own happiness first. I'm sorry for everything I did wrong, as I can see how simple it could have been, yet we seem to go from complications to complications before. I'm sorry for not being with you now. You must find your own state of bliss and make it your own. Imagine how powerful it will be when we finally unite in such high vibrations. That is the journey ahead of us, my love. I was so excited to share this happy news with you, and I can't wait to see how it will unfold. Until then, Keep being your beautiful and happy self. We need to stay in this vibration so we can finally move on from all these old negative energies. I am yours forever.